As part of your routine maintenance, don't forget the pivot points on your bicycle. These are mostly where metal meets metal or plastic meets metal of your front derailleur, rear derailleur, pulley wheels, brakes. This will not only make the component last longer, but will also increase the performance in both shifting and braking. My preference is to use a light lubricant, such as Tri Flow Superior Lubricant. It has a nice nozzle to get the drop of lubricant right where you need it and not splash it on other areas. The choice of lubricant I'll leave up to you. How often we use this to apply to our pivot points, we'll talk about later in the video. Be sure to wipe away any dirt, grease on your front derailleur. Add 1 drop of lubricant to all the pivot points. Do the same for the rear derailleur. Pulley wheels, both the guide and tension pulley wheels on both sides. Rim brakes. Being careful to apply just a tiny amount so we don't drip any onto the tire rim or rim brakes themselves. Remember, in all these instances that we're adding lubricant to wipe off any excess. On mountain bikes, be sure to stay away from the brake pads and rotors. Getting any lubricant on that will decrease the efficiency of the braking, and it's a good reason to stay away from aerosol lubricants. We'll link at the end of the video to some other pivot points that you should be concerned with certain mountain bikes. How often you lubricate these pivot points depends on the riding conditions, whether it's rained or not, how far you ride each week, and especially important after you wash down the bike. For me, even if I'm riding in good conditions, I'll wipe down these pivot points and lubricate them about every 2 weeks. If you have additional suggestions, please comment below. Subscribe to keep up with our latest videos. This is Tony at Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.